Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start right away. Remove the emergency key and set the fob on a towel so parts won't roll away. Use a small flathead or a coin at the seam. Pry gently because the plastic clips are fragile. Once the halves separate, make sure you remember which side held the battery. Orientation matters. You're doing this to avoid breaking the shell, so take steady pressure, not force. If it resists, reposition the tool and try again. Slow and controlled is safer. Now you'll remove the old CR 2032 cell. Observe which side faces up and keep that orientation in mind. Use your finger or a non-metal pry tool to lift the battery out. Avoid bending the metal contact tabs because they must spring back to hold the new cell. Once the cell is out, wipe the contacts with a dry cotton swab to clear dust and oils because good contact ensures reliable signal. Then place the new CR 2032 in the same orientation. Once the new battery is seated, align the two halves and press them together evenly until all clips snap home, then slide the emergency key back in. Test the fob by standing a few feet away and pressing lock and unlock, then try trunk and panic if applicable. If it doesn't work, don't panic. Make sure the battery is correctly oriented and fully seated, clean contacts again, or remove light corrosion with fine sandpaper. If still dead, try a fresh CR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.